Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Dear students, good morning to everyone. In this video session, I would like to continue some of the previous videos continuation. In the previous videos, you all are learned about TDA abuse. TDA abuse anna tobacco, alcohol, drugs. How it is a misusing by the people, especially teenagers. The teenagers we call as a adolescents. This topic it is a subtopic of human health and diseases. Some of the previous videos, human health and diseases, how the human beings are getting diseases. That diseases may be infectious or non-infectious. Alright, some of the diseases are congenital diseases. Like these type of several diseases, how it is infected, these and all we completed. Okay, in the munnadi video, last video, I started about the different type of different type of drugs, that drugs which place onwards they are obtaining, what purpose they are using. Okay, if they are misusing of that drugs, how it will be causes the effect, that and all we already discussed. The same topic I will again revising with the help of some of the columns, with giving the something proper explanation, something proper clear understand. Along with that, in this video I will conclude these chapter. Okay, these chapter finally it will tell us about how to prevent of these TDA abuse. TDA abuse. Abuse anna misusing. Use means use. Abuse anna that opposite word of use. Okay, I mean wrong proper way. You have to know. Dear students, here in this box, column and box, I mentioned in the one column that is name of drug. Previous videos we discussed several drugs. There is opioids, cannabinoids, coca and cocaine and tobacco. That another column I taken obtain, which place onwards that drug products will be they are getting, or sources of the drug product, raw material. Okay, and mode of abuse, how they are using. Okay, how they are misusing. Then by the using of that product or a drug product, it will show what type of effect and which of the part in our body that we should be know. Okay, the conclusion finally what is the reasons of people are using these, and then how to prevent we have to discuss. See, come with here opioids. Two type of opioids we seen yesterday, morphine and heroin. Heroin is produced by the byproduct or derivative from the morphine. Acetylization of the morphine, it will produce the heroin. So, two acetyl groups are present in the morphine structure that we call as a heroin. So, that is why diacetyl morphine, generally that heroin we call as a smoke. Okay, smoke. Okay, which place onwards they are obtaining sources of Ophidium papae plant. Ophidium papae, generally we call as a papae plant. Scientific name Papaver somniferum. Yesterday videos please be recalled. That Papaver somniferum latex seeds. Latex means I said na milk like secretions we called as a latex. Okay, mode of abuse, how they are using these products, I mean these drugs. Okay, one is orally they are taking, and sometimes injections they will be, by the injections they will be used. Okay, this is the thing. Some of the heroin product, it is a crystal, of course I do not give much more explanation for these, what type of, what color, that and all yesterday we see. This is only for NEET based things, okay, based topics. Then heroin, it is using by the, in the method of, in the mode of snorting. Either morphine and heroin, these two are show their effect on the central nervous system. Nana, everyone come with along with my voice and should be focused about the pointer of the board, on the board. Okay, central nervous system. By that, using of these opioids or morphine or heroin or diacetyl morphine or smoke, it will shows that their effect on central nervous system. That central nervous system, that will be give the our body metabolic activities are slow down. That is a slow down of our body functions. Okay, then next one, cannabinoids. These cannabinoids are another byproducts, are another combinations of cannabinoids. Hashish and then charas, ganja. This is a very familiar word in our regular life, not for our usage. In the generally, some people in our society, some of the Swamijis, sorry to say this one, some of the Swamijis, along with them, they are having these ganja powder. With these ganja powder, they are inhaled. Simple logic. For understanding, Agora people are there, na? That Agora people are, some of the Agora people are using ganja. Okay, so whatever it is, for understanding I said, not only that one, here sports persons also using these cannabinoids. Why the sports persons are using these mean, it will increase the body stamina. Okay, so whether you heard it or not, some people are eliminated from the competitions of sports. Because they are, when they are using these type of drugs, they want to test doping test. Okay, the sponsors will test it, that doping test. In the doping test, they are taking the sample of their urine and blood. They are analyzing whether they are using any drug product. Because if any food item or any drug item the people are taken, mean that should be, that chemical component should be present in the blood and urine. Excessive content will be present in the urine. Blood having these sample particles, mean these sample components, that will be, they are eliminated from the sports, that games. So that is a doping, especially weightlifting time, these doping what is a more familiar. Okay, some of the people, weightlifters are using the doping for increasing of their stamina levels to carry the very heavy weights. Okay, from cannabinoids are taken from the one of the plant, that plant generally in the India we call it the hemp plant, and scientific name Cannabinus sativa. In the generally, already I said here ganja is one of the product, so ganji plant, ganji. Now in this time I will be recall the one movie, that movie hero is Vikram and Surya, both are acted in that movie. In that movie, we seen that ganja plants are cultivated in the hill regions. Okay, tribal people are cultivating these. Okay, of course, tribal people are, some of the people will be use the ganji. Then, okay, so from that onwards, the flowers, tops and leaves onwards, they are extracted the something granules like powder like, then that will be selling in the wrong manner, whatever it is. Okay, and then how they are abused, mode of abuse, inhalation and then injection. Something liquid in form means they are injected by the injection, and then inhalation, if it is powder or anything granular manner, that they are inhaled. Okay, then next one, it will show the effect on the cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system wise, our blood pressure will increase, our blood pressure, metabolic activities will be increased. So that is why rapid improvement of their energy levels. Okay, Then come with another thing, another drug, coca, or and also called as a cocaine. Cocaine, this is more familiar word in the movies, cocaine. Okay, then this, it is a common names are coke and crack. Don't confuse these and all. Why I given these main in the NEET, what type of questions maybe they will ask, they are giving the scientific names and then what are the common names matching madri, or they are giving the these drug names and then what are the plants or sources, that may be question. So, should be remember the concept fully, okay, memorize, that is only way. Okay, remaining some of the concepts are easy to understand, link by one links, but here should be remember, that is only method. Okay, then coke and cocaine, coke and crack, commonly called as a coke and crack. These drugs are taken from the obtaining from the one plant, Erythroxylum coca, especially some foreign countries, not at our places, foreign countries onwards. Okay, then that used by the method of mode of abuse, snortering. Yesterday I said snortering means a forcible inhalation. That process we called as a snortering. In the movies, villains are using the method of the snortering, that we know. By the taking these cocaines, how it will show the effect of the body? It stimulate the central nervous system. By the central nervous system, which hormone it will release, which neurotransmitter, dopamine it will release, and then by the increasing of these dopamine secretion, automatically, I mean the dopamine interference, it is create the euphoria and increasing of energy and hallucination, hallucinic feel. Okay, these and all effect of our body by using of these cocaines. Then tobacco. Yesterday last I said this only, tobacco plant, it contains some of the alkaloid substance, that is a nicotine. These nicotine, I mean that tobacco taken from the tobacco leaves, that way of using or mode of using, that one is smoke and then snorted and then chew it. Some of the tribal people are not only tribal people, our grandfathers generation, our ancestor generation, some of the people are chewing of the tobacco leaf, keeping into the buccal cavity, the saliva they are swallowing. By that they are getting a lot of problems. No need not to say much more explanation about tobacco, because of everyone very well known, when they went to cinema halls, they are giving the lot of information to these tobacco. It will causes the several cancers, that and all previously we seen. Then shortcutly I mentioned some of the respiratory disorders may be chances problematic, and coronary systems are problems also will be there, because of bronchitis, emphysema belongs to respiratory problems, and cardiac ischemia and heart problems, these and all created by the increasing of the BP. Okay, just generally for understanding wise I will tell. Some people are especially in the tobacco persons, tobacco addicted persons, chain smokers. We call it a chain smokers. Chain smoker means for within one day the person will complete 2 or 3 packets itself. Okay, that means he can't able to stay properly, or not can't able to lead their life a small short period, 1 hour also he can't able to maintain. Okay, so continuously every 1 hour he want to take 1 cigarette. That will be, that type of adaptation is there. If they are not yet taken any these smoking, automatically total body will be getting lot of sweat. Okay, that is a adaptation. Yesterday I said addiction, and then dependency, like such a condition. Then other than these drugs, some of the other drugs, that other drugs, barbiturians, and then amphetamines, benzodiazepine, and lysergic acid dimethylamide. These and all some of the byproducts are drugs that useful for treated to the who are suffering with a mental illness, Simple logic, simple thing here, sleeping problem. Somebody is aged people are facing the sleeping problem. In the night time they can't get a proper sleep, and that time doctor prescribed the something sleeping tablet, that is sleeping tablet containing with the barbiturates, okay, that will be stimulate the, it will relaxation of our body functions, especially central nervous system will relax. When the central nervous system relax, automatically they are going to sleeping mode, unconscious, okay. Narcotic, that is also one of the narcotic method, okay. So here barbiturate and then amphetamines and benzodiazepine, lysergic acid dimethyl amide, LSD. These products they are taken some of the plant seeds onwards. One is Atrofa belladonna and the second one Datura metal. They are by the seeds, some of the extractions onwards, they are making the pills by the, they are using mode of abuse by pills taking by the inside, by the oral, okay. That is one thing, or sometimes mixing in water and then they are utilizing, okay, whatever it is. Here which is a drug is useful for what purpose? B means barbiturate. Barbiturates are useful for sleeping, okay. When they are using these tablets or pills, it promote the sleeping, okay. And then amphetamines, A indicates amphetamines, that amphetamines are sleeplessness, okay. That means somebody's are over sleeping, they want to control that they are sleeping, on that time the persons will use these amphetamines, okay. That is sleeplessness, promote the sleeplessness. And then next benzodiazepine kada, B indicates benzodiazepine, that is tranquilizers means painkillers, okay. Body, the some of the pain, why it is came the pain, when our body is did any overwork, the overstrained muscle accumulate their lactic acid. 10th standard you studied accumulation of the lactic acid, our body will getting pain. Not only 10th standard, in 11th standard Cori cycle we see, correct na? So that pains decreasing wise tranquilizers they are using. And LSD means lysergic acid diethyl amide, LSD. This is useful for treated to the mental ill persons who are oftenly depressed and insomnia, okay. These patients are treated with LSD, okay. Understand nana? These are the drugs, and then this is the which place onwards they are obtaining, and then mode of abuse, and then what are their effect. Here I didn't mention their structures. These opioid structures are their cannabinoid structures, mante chemical compound structures, okay. These are all chemical compounds kada. These drugs are each and every chemical compound having their structure. You will get it that structure from the textbook or any material, okay. That structure also you should not necessary to draw, but you should be need to understand that structure, because some of the NEET based questions they will be giving the one side structure, another side this name. We want to match which is the opioid structure, which is the cannabinoid compound structure, which is the cocaine compound structure. No need not to draw, okay, but recognizing of the which one belongs to opioid, that should be do. Got it kada nana? Can I go continuation? Then I am going with the continuation. That one effect of the drugs and alcohol abuse, okay. Then along with that prevention and control. By these two topics this chapter is complete. This chapter was complete, okay. Then effect of the drugs and alcohol. Here if the person either necessarily or unnecessarily they are using these drugs, it will show the effect, either physical effect of the body, physical body maybe will affect, or psychological condition of the person maybe will affect, and physiological activities of the body will act. For example, here benzodiazepines, that is a tranquilizer, that will be physiological because of lactic acid converted into glucose in the Cori cycle in the liver place. So, that will be promoted because of it is reduce the lactic acid quantity in the painful tissues, correct only na? So, that is or else here sleeping and sleeplessness, these and all giving the psychological, okay, and physical, that physical means the this one, see doping test time, physical, the body will increase and then it is giving the more energy. And here physical wise, can I give one example? That example is a Hulk movie theriyam kada nanna. That Hulk person unnecessarily that some of the hormones will over secrete, automatically he will become a more aggressive character like that. Okay, so that drugs may, it will influence the either physical or psychological and physiological effect of our body. Not only that, by the these drugs, person behavior also will be changed. That behavior, vandalism and aggressive behavior. Then yesterday also we discussed about these. So, when the person is take out any either drugs or alcohol, that person can't able to control his character or his behavior, okay, uncontrolled behavior, aggressive behavior will be there. Something by the aggressive behavior he will be do the something violence in the surroundings, okay. Not only that, respiratory, heart, cerebral problems. Because of these drugs are always the main target, either respiration, bronchitis and emphysema, that is a bronchitis, heart, coronary problems, heart attack like, and then cerebral, central nervous system will be getting problem. So, drugs are, especially drugs are their target is central nervous system, and smoke, these and all they target respiratory and heart, okay. Then and then if the persons are aged people are, this is the problem. Now, the topic here, drugs and alcohol abuse, which persons, all persons, especially we given the one title for this, adolescence, correct na? Adolescence means yesterday what I said, 12 to 17, 18 years age group, puberty age group people or teenage people we called as a adolescence. Those people unknowingly by the curiosity or experimentally and anxiety, they are first they are tested that one, then tested after it will become a habitual action will become a addiction, it is converted into the dependency. Totally the spoilage of life, it is a own hands, okay, that is not at any, but the beginning time it is influenced by the some other people, okay. So, here if these adolescents people, especially you people who are the students, those people if they are adapted or started to take these TDAs, that will be show the effect. First thing, they cannot concentrate their academic education importance. The slowly academic improvement performance will be fall down, okay, that their marks that and all will be problematic, okay. Then lack of interest in the personal hygienic, who are adapted to take these drugs, those can't able to make something neat appearance, always they are wearing, that's because of they lose their interest all activities of their daily life, okay. So, lack of interest in the personal hygiene, and when they are not to take that drug or alcohol, they are going to depressed mood, okay. I want this, like that type of depressed movement will be there, mood, and lose of interest in hobbies. Basically, before to start these TDA abuse, the person is having something good habits or general habits or hobbies. That hobbies are can't able to continue with their life daily. So, slowly it will be hobbies also will lose out in the daily life, and then changing in the sleeping and eating habitats. What will happen, sir? That will be changed there, in which time want to sleep, which time want to, basically night time want to sleep, but night time those people will awake, daytime they are sleeping mode type. So, changing of their sleeping timings and eating time, when they will eat they doesn't know. So, totally it will problematic. And yesterday we already seen some of the health problems also will be there. So, that is why I did not write here. and fluctuation of the weight and appetite. Okay, lack of appetite, you can't able to take certain food, lack of proper food intake, it will be affect to the weight problem, fastly will be weight will loss, or sometimes by the using of the excessive drugs that will be promote the these obesity because of some of the glands will be stimulated, overstimulate and synthesis more hormones, so it will causes the more weight. So whether increasing or decreasing the weight of the person, fluctuation in the weight and then appetite. Okay, then next one, up to that what are the effect, general effects and medicinal effects we already seen something, the up to certain limits these drugs are useful for treatment of the something medical ill people, okay, mentally ill people, but excessive usage and improper usage of these drugs create these are the problem and health problems also. Now finally the concept we have to end with these concept, prevention and control, right? Somebody in our surroundings or in our relatives, anybody is adapted to usage of these drugs and alcohol or tobacco, TDA shortcut. Okay, what we have to do? That is as a responsible citizen or as a responsible family members. First thing, individual responsibility, that is prevention is better than cure, should not enter that wrong pathway. Even the life one time also we should not touch that one, because TDAs having the one type of attractional force. Once their life any one person are tested that one, either curiosity or that it will promote to in the next time also want to take the forcible advices. Okay, if you are not at a touch one single time, it is a genuine thing, it will that genuine factor will protect to you your confidence. When you lose your confidence, when you tested one time, the lifelong maybe sometimes you will be must be repeat, no chance at all, because of life will be giving a lot of opportunity to use of these things, or some of the your neighboring people or your friends maybe will suggest or use this type of situation we want, or else some of the movies, serials, they are showing these and all. By that fan following of the heroism, the people are adapted to these type of activities. Okay, but that heroism time also these and all should be prohibited. Movie is different, real life is different. Okay, that is the first thing. Okay, avoid the what we have to do, prevention is better than cure. So first was a prevention only better, after we are adapted to that is a curing is a little difficult, but it is a process. What we have to do, especially adolescents people, avoid the undue parental pressure. Here some of the students are adapted to these drugs for the over pressure from the parents. Parents are giving the over stress, you want to become a doctor, you want to become an engineer, like that they are giving the more, they are killing their student interest. Instead of that, they are giving their desires of the students on the students, their family members. So that's why what happened, the lack of proper interest about the education, or they are giving the more pressure on the getting more score in the education. So students will get over pressure. So that over pressure onwards, escaping wise, there may be there is a chance for using of these and all, but it is not a correct way. Okay, then next one, responsibility of the parents and teachers. We are the teachers, parents also should be awareness about their sons, their daughters, what they are doing. Okay, the behavioral aspect, how it is there, it should be, especially teenage people, teenage students. Okay, that age group people should be without over problematic, should be given a proper instructions and then a proper suggestions in the given area. Okay, in that given time period, and seeking help from the peers, who are the neighbors, friends, those people also. I mean, this is a friends, especially friends circle. If it is good, the one person friend circle, if it is good, automatically by the influence of the friend, the person also become a good genuine person. But sometimes some of a group of friend circle, some of the people are having the any bad habits, that bad habits may be chance for more than 60% chance to it is a converted into the other good habitual person also will be chance to adapted to that one. So, first friends also should be avoid that one, and then if any changes observed in your friends, that change should be informed to the either teachers or parents. That is our work. Okay. Then education and counseling, we have to our responsibility that teachers want to educate, by taking of these drugs, these type of problems will come ra, or your education will be spoiled ra, or your life will be spoiled, like that type proper guidance by the given by the either books and then teacher support, and then some of the counseling persons, some of the social motivator persons want to give the proper guidance to the adolescents people. When the people at the age of the adolescence, what they learn, what they are got it, that only affected to their total life. So, that is the one and only reason they are introduced to these TDA abuse chapter in this educational chapter, okay, in the study chapter. Not only this, already beginning time I already said, reproductive health also is like these and all not only subject orientation chapters, these and all knowledge orientation chapters. Okay, daily regular social activity wise human being, these concepts are very useful. Then last, seeking a professional medical help. If any person fully adapted to addiction of these drugs, we should be take her to the nearby the professional persons or medical help for avoiding of that habit or that bad habit. That only here one in movies, not movies, in that TV advertisements, addiction killer, these type of some of the professional persons are giving the something medicines to avoid of these drugs effect. Okay. Finally, the only one statement, prevention is the better than cure. The students, no one should not think about these and all wise, okay, TDA abusing wise. This is the only knowledge wise. Should not get any curiosity and experimental thoughts in this drugs wise. Okay, these concept may be useful to you in our lifelong. So, dear students, try to understand the concept